Here are 7 reasons why a person must work hard, along with clear examples for each point, written in English to be used in a motivational or educational video. 1. To achieve personal goals. Explanation. Without hard work, goals remain dreams. Effort turns dreams into reality. Example, if someone wants to become a doctor, they must study for many years. Hard work in school, during internships, and at university is necessary to reach that goal. 2. To overcome poverty. Explanation. Hard work helps people rise above financial struggles and create a better future. Example, a young man from a poor village starts a small business selling fruits. By waking up early, working long hours, and saving money, he expands the business and builds a better life. 3. To gain respect in society. Explanation. People respect those who are dedicated, disciplined, and hardworking. Example, a teacher who spends extra time helping students after class earns the admiration of parents and the community. 4. To unlock new opportunities. Explanation. Hard work opens doors that talent alone cannot. Example, an employee who consistently works hard and improves their skills is more likely to be promoted or noticed by big companies. 5. To build self-confidence. Explanation. Achieving success through effort increases self-belief and motivation. Example, a student who works hard and improves their grades feels more confident when applying for scholarships or speaking in public. 6. To inspire others. Explanation. Your hard work can be a motivation for your family, friends, or even your entire community. Example, a single mother who works 2 jobs to take care of her children can inspire her kids to study harder and never give up. 7. To leave a legacy. Explanation. Hard work helps create a lasting impact that benefits future generations. Example, a farmer who works hard to buy land and build a house ensures that his children will have a place to live and a better start in life.